Good morning, student. Today we are going to start our new chapter, lesson 5, and the chapter name is Jammed Wheel. Actually, this chapter is belongs to self-help, which is the best help. It means self-confidence, self-intelligence is good and it helps to themselves or itself, you can say. Let us see what is given in this story. Self help means the habit of doing one work oneself. God has given us intelligence and physical strength, and it is our duty to use this properly for our benefit in life. God helps them who help themselves. It means God helps them who helps themselves. If you help others, He help you. Means self help is the best help. Let us see what is given in the story. It had rained heavily. Heavily means what? Too much. The whole night. In the morning, the roads were muddy and potholes were filled to the brim. Brim means ace and muddy means what? Full of what? Water along with soil. You can say that liquid mix up with soil. It was the day for the weekly market, and the Raju, the farmer, and riding his cart along the country road. It was the day for the weekly market, and Raju, the farmer, was riding his cart along the country road. So, what is the work of Raju? He was a farmer, and he was riding his cart. Cart means you know na, the what, the transport which is made of what, with the help of what, with the help of animals. He had to reach the market early so that he could sell his vegetable. So why he could reach the market early, Raju? Means for the purpose for the sale is vegetable. It was very difficult for the bullock to drag the load through the deep mud. Deep mud means what? Full of mix up with water as well as soil. On his journey, you can say that mud place is also known as kacha road, you can say that. On his journey, suddenly the wheels of the bullock cart sank into the mire. Means sank into the mire means what? Soft mud or dirt. Means it is the bullock cart sank. Sank means fell into the mire. Means on the mud or in the soil. The more the bullock pulled, the deeper the wheel sank. Raju climbed down from his seat and stood beside his cart. So Raju climbed down. Climbed down means to fell down from his seat. He means he what he replaced his seat and stood beside his cart. He searched all around but could not find anyone around to help him. And he is searching any person who across from them who help them. But no one is around him. Around him means what? Farmer. Cursing his bad luck, he looked sad and defeated. Means cursing means itself he is thinking bad time also you can say that, or bad opportunity you can say that. And he looked sad due to this. He was looking sad and defeated. He did not make the slightest effort to get down on the wheel and lift it up by himself. It means slightest. Here the meaning of slightest is, student, very small. Means even he have no what, his mind is not working on that time because he felt sad also, and no one has come to help them. So he felt very lonely itself, and the wheel and the lift it up by himself. Instead, he started cursing his luck for what he had happened. In between this some happening is going on. Looking up at the sky, he started shouting at God, and due to upset his mind, he looking at on that time he looking up at the sky and start shouting, means making noise to the god on the at the sky. I am so unlucky, why has this happened to me? It means he cursed himself at the sky, cursing itself and looking at the sky to say the god that I am very lucky, means I am not good to do anything, you can say. Why has this happened to me, means he cursing itself. Oh God, come down to help me. Who said this line? Farmer said to the God. After a long wait, God finally appeared before Raju. He asked Raju, do you think you can move the cart by simply looking at it and complaining about it? Means God appeared before Raju, and nobody will help you unless you make some effort to help yourself. Means God advised to the farmer, you try to do level best, that you try to make some effort, make some planning, make some think about the effort, how can you help itself. Okay, so get up and put your shoulder to wheel and you will soon find the way out. So these things what advice to the god, to the farmer by the god. Raju was still hesitant. Hesitant means not comfortable. He said, but God, how can I do it all alone? So what farmer replied to the what God, how could I can do? Means I am alone person, I am single person. How could I ever? How could it is possible to do itself? I was waiting for someone to help me. God looked at Raju and asked, if you do not take the initiative to help yourself. Initiative means student, some what? Official action. You can say that official action, or to try to solve some problem by using some official action so that it helps to the farmer. How can you accept others to your for to what come for you help, so nobody will help you. So these things said by the god to the farmer. Raju was ashamed of himself. Here farmer is who? Raju. So Raju was ashamed of himself. Ashamed means what, student? Feeling so sorry. He realized his weakness. Okay, so he bent down and put his shoulder to the wheel. In no time, the wheel was out of the mire. And after that, what happened? When he bent down and put his shoulder to the wheels, what happened, student? The wheel was out of the mire. Mire means from the muddy place. Raju learnt this lesson, that to be reliant. Self-reliant means to do itself the work with self-confidence. It means he thanked the God and carried on his journey happily. So the moral of the story, student, you should always be in the self-confidence, be in the what self-reliant also, because God does not help a man who cannot help himself. Nobody will help you, even God will also not help you. You help itself. A self-reliant man always does his work on his own. So use your strength and find the solution of your problems. And also, student, you also faces so many problems in your student life, means solving the problems in different subject, but you have to make the self confidence that I can do the work, and with the self confidence. Thank you, student. Have a nice day.